There in the hallway. Hello. I'm great. How are you doing? Are you all going to switch out?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Yes.
Switch out.
All right. We have the interpreters are switching out. The interpreter has previously been sworn. You are still under oath to faithfully translate from English into Spanish.
Oh, parking will expire in 15 minutes.
Your parking has expired.
Yeah, I got 10 minutes on my parking.
Well, my understanding, we had a heavy rain, so don't run and slip.
It
He
is-
gets already
I already
fallen.
fell down.
He's already fell.
I got
Oh, my.
Blood on my suit, so I gotta go home and change.
So where did you fall?
I was walking to lunch and there was a slick spot with a bunch of little seeds or something on it, and I wasn't paying attention, and all of a sudden I'm on my butt. Excuse me.
Was that across Main Plaza?
Yeah, God, no, the other side. It was like on the south side. I was walking down towards St. Mary's, I was parked down that end.
Oh.
And it was dry, but there was a wet spot and I just, whoop.
Please tell me you didn't fall on your knee, because that's the worst thing.
No, I didn't fall on my knee, fall on my tail end, but
Ah,
I got my suit dirty and my briefcase dirty and all kinds of
that's
stuff.
painful.
All right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know that we are in receipt of your last question. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to recess for today. You're going to be back here tomorrow at 9 a.m. and we will answer your question at that time. Remember my instructions. You have been deliberating, but you're only allowed to deliberate as one group and in the jury room. If you're not in the jury room, you're not allowed to deliberate. So that means when you leave here today and go home, don't think about this case. Don't internalize and start deliberating in your mind. Don't call each other. You are only allowed to deliberate when you're in the jury room. Does everyone understand? Okay. Do not do any investigation. I know I've told you that before. Don't investigate. Everything that you need to know about this case came from inside the courtroom. Does everyone understand? If you see anything on social media, if you see anything on the news, if you see anything of that nature, ignore it. If anybody tries to talk to you about this, ignore it. Tell them you can't talk about it. You're a member of the jury panel. So it's very important. And I will tell you, both parties want there to be a fair trial, and they want the deliberations to happen in the jury room. And I know each of you will follow my instructions, but sometimes I just like to give it again. Okay? Any questions? All right. So the moment everyone is present, we will most definitely have an answer for you. And let me do this. Let me have you, instead of being ready to start deliberating at 9 a.m., because we need to answer your question. Make sure you're here by 9:15. So if everybody is here at 9:15, we will have an answer to your question for you. Okay? All right. Anything before you released? All right. Remember the court's instructions, okay? All right. And my understanding before you go, we're off the record. Before you go, my understanding there was major rain outside. It stopped raining, but it's sort of slick and wet. So be careful as you leave.